Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at random hands, and here's one that when I checked the scores afterwards, there were so many people in so many different contracts on this hand. So let's think about this one. We have a lovely 5-5-3 shape, definitely an opening hand. We'll try one spade. And partner bids 2 hearts. If we're playing 2 over 1, that's a game force. If we're playing standard, that's 10 or more points. Well, sometimes you should bid 2 spades rather than bid 3 clubs, which is a new suit at the 3 level is a very strong hand. And this is not a very strong hand, but I'm going to bid 3 clubs because of the shape. Partner bids 4 clubs. That's interesting. Well, we don't like the void in hearts. That's their first bid suit. I love their 4 club bid. It's not necessarily forcing, but I think I'll just go to 5 clubs. We won't be looking for any more than 5 clubs. And if we make 5 clubs, I think we'll be very lucky. Oh, so partner had 4 gorgeous clubs, 7 hearts, 1 diamond and 1 spade. Is it possible we can make 5 clubs? Well, we don't know where the club king is, and we've got 1 diamond loser now, but only 1 because we can trump. We have 1 spade loser, the king, but in order to develop 11 tricks, we need to make at least 4 club tricks, at least 2 diamond tricks by roughing, and 5 spade tricks. It's a pretty big ask. We're missing the ace of spades. So this is not a hand to draw trumps. This is a hand that we need. The opponents at this point should have played trumps because they can see that we're going to try to cross trump because there was only 1 diamond and only 1 spade and dummy. They really have erred by not switching to a club. But we're the lucky beneficiaries of this. The king of diamonds we're going to trump. And notice that it establishes the queen as a winner. So don't touch trumps. King of hearts, where's the ace? Here, trump the heart. That establishes the queen. Now, how about we play the queen of diamonds and discard the king of spades? That worked. Now try and set up the cross ruff. Trump. We could cash the queen of hearts, discarding a spade, but we don't know what's happening with these hearts now. Wow, the hearts are all gone. All these hearts are winners. It's impossible to get over there, really, so we just keep trumping spades. And we've got 7 tricks. Our spades are not winners. The hearts are winners, but the opponents will trump. If we play a heart now and throw a spade away, they'll probably trump. So I think we need to trump the heart. They trump, we over trump. They've trumped with the 2. That's a bit strange. Trumping with the 9, we over trump with the 10. Now play a low heart. There's the king. Take out the trump, and now we'll lose to the top spade, but we've made 11 tricks. We scored 92% for that, which meant that people were in all different contracts. Some people might have been in diamonds. Some people might have been in hearts. We found a lovely club fit, but it took a lot of work to play it. And it took a bit of the defence failing by not playing clubs to cut down our trumping potential. Still, sometimes we get lucky. Here are the scores, and notice that there were players in all different contracts. Many, many, many different contracts. which makes me realize that it's very hard to get to the right spot on hands like this. Hope you enjoy the hand.